Hello everyone, myself Sweetie Panjani. Today's topic is System Verilog trick code on a fixed array. Let us understand this code first. I have taken a module fixed array example. I have a fixed array which has three elements and I have initialized the value of these three elements as 1, 2, 3, and I am just displaying the values. Very simple code. What should be the output of this? Just initialize the array, display the value. So I should just get the values displayed 1, 2, 3, the values of the array elements, right? Let's run this code and see what happens. I am not getting values 1, 2, 3, but I am getting values 1, 0, 1. Why do you think this happened? I would recommend you to understand each and every word in the declaration of array. Let's go through it. I have said logic. Logic is a four state variable. Four state means it will take four values. It can take four values which can be 0, 1, x and z. And if we don't initialize the value, it is x. By default, if you don't specify any size of this logic, by default it is 1 bit. It means you are creating an array of three elements and every element is 1 bit because you have not specifically specified the size of the array. That is why it is taking 1 bit. Now, since it's bit, it can take only like 1 bit value. Since you have initialized, it will not take x or z. So it will take either 0 or 1 and the value of the least significant bit will be displayed. If you notice here, array of 0, the first element value is 1. So the 1 is getting displayed least significant bit. 2 means 1, 0. 1, 0 means the least significant bit is 0. 3 means 1, 1. The least significant bit is 1. That is why you see these kind of outputs. How to fix this? If you see carefully, the values are 1, 2, 3. Means by mistake I have told that it is logic. I actually wanted it to be integer. Let us run this now. Now, when you are specifying integer, you cannot have packed dimensions. This is another thing which you should notice. Since it is a packed array, what I am going to do, I am going to make it as a unpacked array now. Now run this. The values got displayed correctly now 1, 2 and 3. What did we learn from here? First thing is you need to be very careful what data type you are declaring, what are the default sizes and default values of those data types, and there are certain data types which should not be packed, so they can be only unpacked. That also you need to take care. I hope this trick code was very useful. We commonly make such mistakes and we don't realize it. That's why I tell that please keep your basics very clear so that when you see the code, you realize, oh, this is the mistake, even before running it. That kind of in depth knowledge you should have. I hope you are liking these videos and they are benefiting you. To stay tuned, please subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Thank you.